Well, good morning. Welcome to Financial Freedom Show. I'm C.S. Sudhir. Mr. Ramakrishna has posted a question on the Financial Freedom app. He says, how do we make money work while we are sleeping? In fact, in the last episode also I spoke about it. But then he is specifically asking what are the ways to do it. If you want to make your money work while you're sleeping, let me give you some simple tips. Number one, you start with a simple SIP. If you start with an SIP, you start investing 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 every month, and as long as you pay, your money will keep growing, which means even if when you're sleeping, your money will be continuously growing. So never stop that. That's very important. Ensure that you invest in SIP and create wealth which works for you, which works even when you're sleeping. Number two, understand the power of compounding, because that's where you get to make a lot of money. I want you to understand the longer you keep invested, the more money you make, the more wealth you create. I want you to ensure that you keep invested for a long time. Many people, they make a big mistake. They exit out of their investments very fast, out of panic, out of some news. Never make that mistake. And then I want you to develop different streams of income. I'm sure you know that you work for someone, you get salary, that is remuneration. But that is where you get remuneration as long as you work. Or if you're running a business, there's something called rate, right? You sell your product, service, you make money. That's also okay because you have to be involved in business. But number three, returns. That's what I told you. You invest in mutual funds, you invest in other places, you invest in property that gives you returns, right? As it grows. Number four, rent. You invest in property, you get rental income, and that gives you a consistent income source. Even when you're sleeping, your rental yield is growing, right? And then the royalty. You invent something, you develop something new, you give it to companies, they use your patents and they give you royalty for it, right? So you create patents by inventing something new. Then rights. You write books, and these journals, books you write will keep giving you rights income, right? Every time a publisher publishes your book, he'll keep giving you rights income. And then there's something called replication. What is replication? Here, you get to earn money when someone replicates your business. For example, you're running a tea shop and your tea is very good. You have a very unique way of making tea. You have a very interesting recipe. And now people want to set up your tea stall somewhere else in the same name with the same recipe. You tell them that, okay, to use my name and to use my recipe, you'll have to give me 10% of your turnover. Which means as long as he runs your tea shop, he has to give you 10% of his turnover as your royalty. He has to give you a franchisee fee. So this is something which happens across the globe. In fact, the organizations like KFC globally run through franchisee model. So franchising is nothing but replication, right? If you want to scale across the globe very fast, this is a golden opportunity because you can do that, right? So that's something which you can do always. At the same time, if you want your money to work while you're sleeping, you have to clear off all your debts. Because a lot of people, they've got too many loans, they are paying unwanted interest every time and they expect their money to grow. That's not going to happen because whatever you're earning, you're paying back your debt. And how do you expect your money to grow? That will not happen. If so, I would ask you to delay your investments and clear off your debt so that it's better to come out of debt always, right? So this is why we have designed Financial Freedom app. In that, we have something called Financial Freedom course. This course will teach you how to earn money while you're sleeping. How to make your money work for you even when you're sleeping. That course will teach you. In fact, on Financial Freedom app, we have about 58 courses on personal finance, career, business and farming. All these courses are well designed and these courses can really help you build your life, build your career, build your business, build your farm. So please download Financial Freedom app from Play Store, App Store, watch these courses. And then if you have any questions, post it on the Financial Freedom app. I will answer your questions in my next episode. Thanks for watching. Be wise, get rich.